What's up, guys? Let's get this party started. I don't know if party is the right word, but anyways, let's do this thing. So, where did I pop off earlier? I had there around here. Okay, so I see I did and didn't miss too much. Oh, what's up, Richard? Happy Wednesday. How you doing? You caught a trade in Nvidia yesterday. We happy about it? Whoop whoop, or we sad? Which one is it? I'm assuming whoop whoop, right? That is awesome. I had 2 break-even trades today. Great trades on the paper. Not so good. Well, no, again, 2 break-even trades. So, you know, up $2. Don't mean to brag. Let's see if we can get some bangers now during New York. I do just have to mark out some key levels. Let's see what we get. It moved. Yeah, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. It moved quite a bit during London. Yeah, it really did move quite a bit during London, so I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see if New York is gonna give us some awesome moves again, or if this is it. Excuse me, sir, if we complete this work, that'd be great. There we go. Okay. London high, and I'm gonna mark this as London low. Might get some people that disagree with that one. Okay. London high, London low. London high is right by the midnight magnet. We're kind of... oh. Okay, let's see if we can break out of this range. Let's not start to assume things before anything has even happened, right? Okay. What's up, Jules? How you doing? Did you trade any of London? Or you just kind of waiting now? Did I mark out everything? I think I marked it. So... let's quickly do a top to bottom analysis. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. The Wi-Fi has just been excessively slow the last 2 days. You traded a piece of Asia successfully, I'm assuming. London was quite fun to trade today, I'm not gonna lie. London, okay, let's rephrase this. It started very boring. And then it just started running away. It was insane. Yeah, let's go to this so that there's not all that damn shenanigans happening. Okay. So daily. Still haven't taken that out. We have tapped into the 50% of this wick though. So it's something. Let's see if we're gonna get a continuation to the sell side or not. Daily, 4 hour. 4K, damn, 4K good. Damn, Jules, look at you go. ALOT2, what's up? Have you just hopped on now? Have you kind of been trading pre-market? Just still having a quick little look here. The 4 hours, still that bearish fair value gap we got over there. Why do we have like that? What's up, Lucky Lefty? How you doing? Well, I guess we just started. So, but thanks, Lucky Lefty. How you doing, bud? Okay, there's kids playing outside and they sound like they're breaking things, but yeah, not my problem. I just got on a Bitcoin trade that hit TP though, I guess. No ways, you traded Biddy? And Biddy went in your favor? That's cool. There's my follow. I'm gonna keep real quiet, real quick. The hourly. Looks like so. I don't know why I sung that, but we're going on. We're going on with it. We're English. What's up, Eddie? How we doing? This is not starting great. I'm gonna just end it there. This is not starting great. The English is lost on me and it's only Wednesday. This is only gonna go downhill from here, but anyways, let's continue to just move the hey diddly day on real fast. Oh, this is good. Good point of liquidity over there. That one's the better form of liquidity. Right over here. Sorry, I know this is going to be a lot of markings and a lot of irritating things. I'm so sorry. I do go and delete these afterwards. Just marking out all the points of potential interest. Very specific liquidity I look for. Okay, that's everything marked out because that one's marked, cool. That one's been taken. Still kind of low-key respecting that point of liquidity. Okay, I know that this looks chaotic, but it's fine. Fair trade with big the first trade TP hit on Sunday, then yesterday break even trade, then today TP. Well, maybe when I was younger. I can have them now. Wow, Jules' age doesn't stop. Aren't you guys like the same age? Jules, how old are you? You're young. Aren't you? I feel like you're young. You're young. You're pretty young. So to be fair, anyone, I guess, is young compared to me now. I'm an old grandma. Jules, you're 32. Oh, I called BS. You are not 32. Grandma mentioned, oh, Solly, you pop up at the exact perfect timings. I swear you time this stuff. Oh, that's so wrong right now. What's up, pizza? How you doing? Back that. No ways. You're young. You're not 32. You're lying. You're lying. Why are you lying? I will respond later. Did I... Obsession? No. What is that, Umkar? Sounds scary. He doesn't even sound 32, right? Jewel, I swear you're... He doesn't sound like he has back pains yet, rough. That was something to read right there. Okay. 923, cool. Hey Dallas, what's up? I always trade New York session. I trade London and New York. It's a movie. I'm not lying. I'ma need to see your driver's license, sir. Because I don't believe you. Sorry, I'm being super creepy. You don't have to prove anything. But genuinely, I remember you saying that you were young. Try to get social security number, then I'll believe you. OTT? One brain cell going on right now. I love it. Maybe it means I'll get some TPs. Heck yeah! Okay, let's do this. Woo, we're starting this with a bang. 924. I don't know why I'm putting a little bit of a southern accent on. I'm so sorry. I think that's a southern accent. Again, I'm really bad with accents, so it's anyone's guess. I'm about to pull over my truck and trade. Ooh, cool. Do you just like do that? Don't you have to be somewhere on time? Or did you make up time so you know that you can stop and do your trading? Genuine curious question, Dallas. Well, you know what? Let's at least Dallas isn't driving and trading. That sounds bad. Let me stop. 9:25. Hey Ma, hope you're having a good one. I'm hitting the books today. Why would you be hitting books, Wade? What did they do to you? Sorry. Okay, what are you studying? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That was the lamest joke. That was such a lame joke. I feel like I have to put myself in a timeout for that one. That was really, really bad. I apologize for my lameness, guys. I'll be better. I built in an extra hour. Oh, there we go. Smart. That's what happened to me. OTT doctor left me a half nine. I was cooking back in 2000. That makes a lot of sense. You have to get a quick full port of market open. It makes a lot of sense. You were kind of... So it's getting worse the more I talk. I think I need to just shut up. Like I said, I'm gonna be very quiet very quickly. Cool. It's fine, I chuckled. You're stuttering? Why? That sounds... maybe interesting. I don't know. Is there an interesting fact in there? I was gonna say boring, but I mean, I actually know literally nothing about it. How did it even come about? See, now I'm curious. Now you're gonna have to tell me the history of opera. So we're buying or selling. 50-minute looking bearish. Everything's looking low-key bearish right now, Beach. I'm not gonna lie. No, for real, I got pulled out 3 weeks early because doctor was going on holiday. My mom didn't want a different doctor. I know a lot of people that happened to. No worries, I'm a little undercooked. Oh, wow. I set up my charts and then was... today, and then I can monitor from my phone while I drive. Oh, that's cool. Remember, the holiday would be the best holiday you ever went on for a good and white dream. It was the undercooked part that kinda got me, I'm not gonna lie, Solly. That undercooked thing. Brilliant. Okay, 2 minutes to go. We got VWAP over here. I'm not even gonna take a gander at where I think this is going, because yesterday I was like, hey, we're bullish. And that just sank to the center of the earth. So, nope. 9:28. Sorry, we make up for it. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I was like 2 weeks late. And there were like some heart complications before I was born, literally. I think my heart nearly stopped before I was born. Y'all never, well, you guys nearly didn't have a Maya. What's up, Abraham? How are we doing? $28. Okay, 1 minute to go technically. Dallas, you did yesterday from my phone. That's impressive. Originated in Italy and it's based on Greek and Latin stories translated into Italian, traditional opera, and German opera, and some English operas. Oh! So you're 75 years old plus an extra 2 in the oven. I'm not hurt, you're hurt.
Emotional damage.
Just kidding. Okay, so let's see. 13 seconds to go. Are we ready? Steady. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Solid. Okay. The bob to bob right there. Let's see if it continues, takes out all of this buy side liquidity and then goes back down. Oh, okie dokie. Like I said, let's see if it takes out all of this buy side liquidity and then potential continuation to the sell side. Let's not assume things though. I miss London session. I've built up energy. I love it. Okay. Let's see what this now brings us. 4, 3, 2, 1. Did close above VWAP. It's above VWAP on both ES and NQ right now. Okay, I am on my funded account. Must just remember that before potentially doing something dumb. Like just marketing in. Just cause I feel like it. It's fine on the paper. Not so much on the funded. Let's not mess around with the funded too much. What's up, Vazza? How you doing? Hello. How you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hope you're all doing fan-damn-tastic. Nope. Still nothing amazing here just yet. Okay. This is just low-key gone bob to bob. Just short of going back up to bob. Let's do a poll, shall we? What do you guys think? We're gonna get the continuation to the sell side. We're gonna get some corrections to the buy side for today. I mean, it dropped so much yesterday. Oh, actually. What just happened? Okay. Feel like it did something there. Okay. Let's see what we all think. Okay, still nothing there. Loki stuck there. Please don't be sideways. Okay, going back down. Took out those. Potentially back down into there. If it's A plus, take it. If it's A plus, take it. I'm gonna have to repeat that to myself a little bit. But it's okay. Okay, I see the shorty shorts are winning so far. I'm gonna keep that poll up for a little bit. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get anything decent. Let's see. Let's see. I was gonna say I might not be as chatty today. Sorry, guys. But let's see. Gosh, I say let's see a lot. Solly, you have completely, like, shattered that glass. Now I'm so aware of the things that I say all the time. Let's see. Okay, moving on. The bob to bob. You know, every time I say these things, I'm like... Oh. Like, you guys could make a drinking game off of how often I say this stuff. You guys would be plastered, but you could make a literal drinking game. So I knew Evil today, trying to get my copy trade on. Ooh, nice, Solly, okay. Let's do this thing. We still don't have a first presented. We do have our 5-minute orb though. Yeah, it's just 176 points. Baby stuff, baby levels. Obsession is a movie, it's a horror movie. Is it good? Where can I watch it? OTT, have you watched Apex? That's not really a horror, that's more like, I guess, a thriller. Action, I don't even know what you would call Apex. Very cool movie, I thought it was awesome. Maya Bingo, ooh, that's why I love it. Maya Bingo. Maya's stream drinking game sounds like a great time. Yeah, except you can't trade while it happens, or else it feels like a recipe for the like just complete disaster. I would have to lock my yeah, 100%. You want to watch it too? Okay, 20 seconds left. This might be the first presented. Let's see. Looking like it could be. 5. Oh, I've learned not to assume things until it's actually closed. 3, 2, 1. Cool. First presented fair value gap right here. Can you teach the secrets of being rich? Sorry, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing because I don't know the secrets of being rich. Trust, I don't. 233 so far. Ooh, nice, Dallas. Did you take a buy or sell? But shout out for the dono. You're awesome. Hey, yo, Jody, what's up? Maya Bingo, that's a good name because bingo is for all these, you know. It's on theme. You know what? You're on theme. That made no sense, but it's all I got right now, okay? Be nice. OTT, your break even now? Nice! Also, what do you consider rich? Because someone's rich is another man's poor. Or vice versa. So that did just, yeah, literally took out this, tapped into that fair value gap and is now just going, okay, bye! Literally. Ooh, wait, here's all the sell side liquidity. Ah, sell side, buy side liquidity. Let's see how it reacts here. Taken. London high gone. That just went straight bob to bob level. Took out all of those major liquidity points. Mother bluffer. So apparently today is just, we're gonna be going long. What's up, Debbie? How you doing? TP hit. Whoop whoop, both for Dallas and OTT that are in the green. Proud of you guys. Whoop whoop, indeed. Also, I'm gonna say this now because your TP hit, but OTT, it is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. The curse of Wednesday's gone bye-bye. Super excited for you. I cannot take this on my funded account. It's too large, I can tell you that for a fact. Am I better off getting rich gambling than trade? No. Well, unless you don't learn how to trade properly, then sure, you might as well throw your money away. If you actually dedicate yourself to learning how to trade properly, then you're fine. This is paper. Okay, it is paper. Just before I make a mistake. I guess I'm done for the day. It's Wednesday. No, but look, it's done. We're done. Excuse me, sir, if you can please put my buy limit there, that would be just grand. Oh, there's now gonna be 2 there, isn't there? Why are we not working? I see we're gonna be slow today. Am I on the 1 minute? I am on the 1 minute. This is low-key looking like the 5-minute chart right now. What's up, Mario G-Man? How are you doing, bud? How's it going? Okay, I see we're 50-50, but the shorty shorts are winning. If we can please function, that would be superb. Yes, I just said superb. But I'm old like that, so it's fine. I'm allowed to say cringe things like that. Nothing there. New daily opening gap is over there. Okay. It hasn't placed this. Well, I don't gamble, so... Well, to be fair, isn't that the debate that we have with Debbie? Everything in life is a gamble. Everything. Waking up is a gamble. Awesome. Someone's been trading 1 to 2 micros this week on a fund and trying to stay low stress. Essentially along with pushing micros on an evil and hit TP, so flipping fast. Good to be back. Is anyone having a problem with TradeAway data feed? What do you mean by what's it doing? I mean, my paper trade is just not paper trading. I should be in on this, which makes me nervous. What is my funded gonna do? Like, the Wi-Fi, yeah, the Wi-Fi is not having a freak out, is it? For a change, which is low-key weird, but... What is happening? This is irritating me. Debbie, you can't log into your account. It's not connecting at all. Oh no, it's completely down. What? That's not good. Can I take a trade online? I could test this, but I'm a little bit nervous. I could take a very quick buy and close it. Sugar honey iced tea, you missed the massive move. Well, to be fair, I shouldn't have on the paper account. I wouldn't have been able to take this on the funded account, I can tell you that for a fact, but... Mikuava, I really actually want to test it for you, but I don't know how. I can very quickly... No. Can't log into TradeAway account through TradeAway. Okay, on mine. But it's a different broker. That's weird. What? What's going on with TradeAway? That's weird. See, that would have been a win! Especially on the damn paper account. I know paper means absolutely nothing, but still. I'm getting the confidence back. Okay. Nice to know it would have been a win. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, I guess. Would have been a really nice win as well. Oh, thank you, Danielson. Appreciate it. Again, shout out for the donor. You're a sweetie pie. See if we get a rejection off of this. Again, I can't flipping trade these ranges. Not yet, anyway. I guess at least I got 2 trades during London today. Break-even trades, but still. Up 611. Damn, where'd you go? I'm gonna close my runner soon, actually. What's up, Ninja? How you doing? It is cray-cray. You know what's also very frustrating is I should be in on this flipping trade right now, but I'm not. Only on the paper. But still. Same goes for this. Well, okay. Oh. There we go. It did actually tag me and it just... Oh my gosh. Close! Close, close, close! Oh, this is glitching so badly right now. Oh, it's glitching. Oh, it's glitching really, really badly. Cool. Please close. Close. Failed to close position. No ways. You don't say. There we go. Okay. Well, now I'm up a lot. Okay, have things sorted themselves out now? 15 got erected too, also I'm sidelined now. No, Ninja, what happened? First time leaving a runner, I'm so naughty. OTT, runners can sometimes be fun. Sometimes they screw you, but sometimes they're fun. Yeah, my charts were hectic since open, even the spreads are going crazy. So Debbie, this is just on the paper trade. I haven't taken a trade on the funded. I low-key wanted to just buy in and I was like, no, don't be a silly goose. I wanted to, but I thought let's not do dumb things just yet. Nothing wrong with a naughty runner. OTT, are you still in it with your runner? Are you just gonna trail stop? Do I might pay Discord to learn how? OTT, you're a chop. So you closed your runner? I mean, this is logging on nicely, Deb, so I don't know. You know, it's very depressing. I was actually considering pressing buy there, and I was like, maybe not do that. Still holding going for Asia High. Nice. Hey, Asia, what's up? Long time no see. How you doing? Big boy business. It's also liquidity just above at 29196. But Asia highs are good. A good shout. I'm closing, I'm good. I mean, that was a banger runner. Let's just be real. That was really, really good. case, Bob took 2 trades. One was a loss, then a beautiful green, and now he's done for the day. That's awesome. Yowza. Yes, I just said yowza, let's not judge me. Okay. Down and down. Let's see, is it going to just tag back down and then continue back up? This price action is a little bit hectic right now. Kind of scary. I'll stick to my 2 RR. Atlanta, you know what it is. What do you think the market's gonna do? Thank you. I think. Anyways. $9.51. Let me do the full range of this. Let me see something. This is some scary stuff going on right now. Why is it so... Is it because of all the news going on? Like, why is it so extra volatile today? You know what? Atlanta, I'm scared of that. Is day trading better than doing what? Lyft? Is that driving? I don't... What's Lyft? I feel like Lyft is that like an Uber thing? I have no idea. I'm so sorry. The world is heating up at the moment. I thought we were done with that, Solly. I really thought that all of that was now done and in the past, and we were all happy chappies, and it was just finished, but apparently not. It's a bit of a bummer. Bob, are you mocking? I feel like you're mocking. Okay. Went to on that line. Woo! Nice, Dallas. That is amazing. Nice. Aw, here I was thinking Bob thought I was cute. Damn. That was very cringe. I'm so sorry. I take everything I just said back. Let's keep looking at this. Questioning all my life choices. Yeah, but that's okay. Dallas 3 contracts, MNQ, yeah. Want to be a Simpson. I'm curious though, what price does MNQ say it is at the moment? It is 019, 021, 025, 028, 026, you get the idea. 020s. Daniel said, I mean, there's a few different channels, right? Or more like videos. I don't want to say, well, yeah, there's a few videos. Tapped into there, did reject off of it. but not as much as I would have thought it would have rejected. Is this where we start to go down? Literally just edged Asia high. Mine shows 078. So yours is just higher up. Get a bounce off of 28956 and back to test pre-market. How did I do in London? Bob, so London, ironically, there was 3 A+ setups. The 2 that tagged me in, unfortunately, were break even. One of the break evens would have been a loss if I didn't move the stop loss. The other one would have been a win if I didn't move the stop loss. And the 3rd A+ setup didn't tag me in. So, yeah, it was okay. I mean, I'm up $2. Anyways. Do I trade this hard during summer holidays as well? I mean, it's winter for me right now, so sure. I mean, Ollie, is Geordie having any issues, or is he still good? Give me, Sally. Give me a second. Okay. Sorry. Hello, Bean. Would anyone recommend any videos to get up to speed? Terrible seeing all the big dogs locked down. What's the high on the very highest candle I have? What, this high here is at 162.25. Do some fishing to find what suits. Yeah, thanks, Solly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, what's wrong? Big ground, you don't want to take an A+ setup on that funded. Bob, I did this morning. 3, like I said. I did take 3 this morning. Only 2 hit and they'll break even. Basics and later on you can change. Yeah, so just gonna carry on. Let's see if we get another A+ setup coming soon. Like I said, this one here was actually A+. It was just too large for me to take. So let's see, out of curiosity. Also didn't love the fact that it was below VWAP, but yeah, fine. Yeah. Yeah, just, yeah. Like I said, it would have been a really good win, but it is what it is. You're predicting the future. Is yours at the same spot? That's very, very weird. Okay, here's the 10 a.m. Is this going to be the 10 a.m. reversal or 10 a.m. continuation? Please don't say that was the move for today. Please don't say that was the move for today. There must be a glitch somewhere, Atlanta. That makes no sense. There has to be a glitch somewhere. Is your high at the same spot? Is the Asia high at 169? Oh, we'll see. Okay, be looking for a shorty short. Let's see what we get. A little bit of a tap into there. Maybe zoom on in slightly. $10.01, still nothing yet. My coworker's software is making for day trading. Yeah, I think that's a real thing. To be fair, I don't know much about that. $10.02. I'm locked in, waiting for an A+ setup. Seriously, I'm really trying to be locked in and wait for a good A+ setup. Okay, let's stop this poll. Well, shorts won that, but not by much. I must say the sideways actually looking pretty decent over there. Why does it look like it's bull flagging? Seriously looks like it's bull flagging. Go along, yes. What's up, Samuel? How you doing? You're thinking the longs are in play? If I'm too far up too quickly. Wait. Potentially too far up too quickly? Question mark? Yep. Too far up too quickly. See how it reacts here. Ninja, waiting for 10:30. Danielson, I love that. Why are you waiting for 10:30, Ninja? Patience. I know patience is good. Patience good. Gotta sometimes just sit on your hands and wait. Went out over there. Good for there. Let's see what we get. If we get anything. Seriously, if I was... Well, no, let's not say that. I was gonna say, if I was as bold with this funded as I am the paper, but I do dumb stuff on the paper, that sometimes works out. Did I trade the open? Nah. Am I a time traveler? Gosh, I wish. I feel like I would really know my stuff if I was. But I don't, so here we are. Only sweeping level of liquidity. There's more liquidity up there. Oh, I actually deleted the liquidity down here, which was dumb. I maybe should have left that. There was a lot of buy-side liquidity in this level. Yeah, that one's the Asia. That is the other one I have marked out. I marked the... Yes, I did mark this one. And this one. Took out all of those. I did have those marked out. Let's see how we react here. We're gonna go up to Asia now. Oh, that was a huge wick on... Yes, good grief. Listen here, Solly. Listen here. Have you gotten a trade yet? Ah, Flip, you're funny, Bob. Ah, Flip, that was good. Thank you. Give me a second. Yeah. This is a 1 minute. Yep. Atlanta, this is indeed. Go back to 9:37. Oh, this one here. No? What, the Bob to Bob level? From the eval, same long as OTT. Ooh. You're close to payout unfunded, so being picky. That's a good thing to be, though. Good to be picky when you should be, right? Yes, if I'm not mistaken, that's actually the trade that Bob took. If I may, Bob. This was, yeah, this was literally the trade that Bob took. Was a good one for me. Ironically, so were these. Naturally. Just getting frustrated. I'm having the correct... Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Wait for an A+ setup. Trying very hard to not get frustrated. Trying very, very hard. Bit of a rejection there. Is it aiming for Asia high? Losing a little bit of that momentum to the buy side. Let's see what we get. Saltwater, what's up? Let's get creative and create something together. Create what? I'm a little bit scared of that statement. That, not gonna lie, chilled me to the bones a little bit there. Probably about to get 50k payouts soon. Maybe cooking. Sorry, my bad, my bad, my bad. My bad. Was Boom here in London? I tried to stay awake, but I fell asleep and waiting. You saw— yes, Boom was here in London. Sorry, Solly. You missed your main man. Disappointing. Disappointing. You missed the only reason you come onto the stream. No, you're right, Montemuro. You're right. You're right. I'm letting myself get frustrated, which is bad. Which is bad. Should not let myself get frustrated. Damn, Dallas! Dallas up 1,644 today. One day when I'm big. Okay, since I made it hit a 10k, man. Actually, very similar to Rebecca. Who dat? I'm a Google. Chess player from South Africa. That's amazing, because I'm also well, I'm in South Africa right now. I am South African. I'm a Google who this is. It's the glasses, isn't it? I don't have the same teeth as her. I'll give you that I have the glasses. Well, I wonder who that was. For those of you that were wondering. You're chilling, Maya. Today you're just flexing your rule-following muscles. It doesn't feel like that. I mean, a little bit. I'm just really bad at chess, so... you know. It's the glasses and the hair. It's the glasses and the hair. She's really pretty, actually. And I don't have blue eyes. I'm not cool enough to have blue eyes. Trying to decide if that means I'm blessed or not, because shame, blue-eyed people have struggles. Not always, but they tend to have struggles. I want to play like with the creating comment, but you got at me kinda. Might not like me. You don't have blue eyes. Yeah, you blue-eyed baddie, you. Oh. To be fair, if I had blue eyes, I don't know, I feel like I would be a problem. Gotta get back on the road. Happy trading to you all. Keep tracking out. Cheers, Dallas. Well done. Wait, actually, Dallas, before you go, give Dallas the whoop whoop. I'm so sorry. Dallas was killing it today. Whoop whoop Dallas. To the point where I had to type it into ChatGPT and it confirms that you see everything before Atlanta, this doesn't sound real. I feel like you need to show a screenshot or something. Like, this doesn't sound real. I saw that I'm a potato short. Ah, thanks, Ninja. So to be fair, I don't think you'll see it today. No, I think it's too dark out. I'm not actually sure. I don't know if this will help at all. So I do actually have, believe it or not, two, I'm saying this loosely, different colored eyes. When I say different, I mean this one is just dark brown and this one's hazel. It's still brown, it's just fancy. And obviously it depends on the lighting. Like, I don't know if you can see that this one's just a little bit darker than this one. so I very loosely say that I have different colored eyes because it's very much of a muchness. That was rude. If anyone was aiming for Asia High, the audacity that MNQ just showed you is unbelievable. Look it up yourself right now. What would I type into chat? Because my crush was so long. She has such a sweet nature. Oh, that's so sweet. Birthday on my funded account. Are you trading or using the chat as your therapist again? Oh, look who's coming in with so much sass. Careful, my man. Anyways, I'm the same but dark brown. One of them look like ooh. Maybe we are twins, Ninja. My her evil twin then. Wow. Rude. Absolutely rude. I see Holly's up right now. Welcome back, Holly. Long time no see. Wow, bob to bob. Okay, it's stuck in this range now. Solidly stuck in this range. Let's see if we get anything out of this or not. Can't believe this one flipping worked. It's fine. Young Fruit Beats, what's up, my man? How you doing? Long time no see. No, but really, any good trades? None that I could take. I had 3 trades this morning. This woulda, shoulda, coulda been a banger, but the range was too big for me. Same with this. Unfortunately, the range is just a tad bit large for me today. It is what it is. Gotta wait for the A+ setups. I had 3 this morning during London. I believe it's because our brokers are different, and for my cheap trading platform, my dot speed is that much slower. That feels like a cheat code. Stone Cold Sinner. It needs 3 or more confluences outside of the bob range, or bob levels. Bob range, bob levels. 3 or more confluences and I'm good to go. Less than 3 and it's a B setup. I am testing the B setups on paper, which is what I was doing yesterday. The B ones are actually okay. I need to really have a look at them. Just obviously, yeah. Company X has a lot of confluences, which you would assume then means that I would get more A+ setups, but I really don't. Especially not recently. Got the fair value gaps, I got order blocks, I got the bob levels. They count as one, especially the 50%. Hi, get out of you, just came and booked me in the arm. My shelves, my volume imbalances. Those are kind of... Did you just burp? You're nasty. Did you just come here to burp at me? Okay, but there's no more sweeties, I'm sorry. He just came here to burp at me. You're waiting for your setup, you're watching a cute Google value. Yep. Do you know how rarely they come around, company? What do you guys think about the SpaceX IPO on Friday? Ninja? Sorry, no real clue about that. Anyone else been watching SpaceX? Thoughts on that? This one here. Yeah, it's at 969. Even. No, wait. Okay, let's get this accurate. It is. Are you talking about this one, Atlanta? It is at 969 on the dot. It's a pump and dump. Hey Dallas, you're still here. So did you get your whoop whoop? Have I been to... I have not. Saltwater. Why? Until... 70 days later. What do you mean? SpaceX makes no money. Ooh. That just happened 8 minutes ago. Seriously, are you sure you don't have a delay? I feel like you must have a delay. This feels like a delay situation. Basically, they can't pump and dump. How simply because it's inside South Africa. Oh no, I've never been. Never been. To be fair, I haven't even been to Cape Town. Which is wild, because that's like the capital of South Africa, if you will. Yeah. All I'm saying is that I think the market's gonna go bonkers from next week. Bonkers. Usually openings, then shoots down. But yeah, Loki just looks like it's consolidating now. Oh, it's in a tiny bit of a channel pushing up. Let's see if it continues up. Or if it's gonna just maybe take out these buy-side liquidity levels and then continue. Okay. It's really, how long ago was that for you? So it was at 10:01 was the candle that the low was formed. At 10:01. Atlanta. Decent rejection off of there. Let's see what this does here. Okay, still in this channel, slowly going up. See if it continues. If it breaks down, I think it's gonna go. If it breaks down just like me. Break it down now, y'all. Wow. But that made some sort of a skill school. It's an Afrikaans culture done. YouTube video. I'd say that's. You work in solar projects. Interesting. I've heard of it, Soul Water. I don't know much about it. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know much about it. I don't know the intricates. I have heard of it. Yeah. Wait for the run up, then buy in about 3 months. If you buy it early, just buy it. Dallas, are you talking about SpaceX now, I'm assuming? Company X, are you going to teach your confluences and method? Why? I mean, I can, but I thought that you have your... the way you like to trade. You work in solar projects? Damn, you should be, I'm sure you're doing really well. Are you in South Africa? If you are, then you should be doing really well. Trading around 50% of daily fair value gap and new daily opening gap. So here's the new daily. Okay, let's see what this does here. Here's the push. The only problem is when it breaks this and takes out... Woo! There, it wanted to tap into Asia high. There we go. Last little bit of liquidity just above, now at 195. Using that... Can I ask you to give me exactly 8 minutes in front of me? That's crazy. I was told at 7:12, then I phoned it. Just got a long signal, but it's 7 minutes early. Let's see, it's just about to sweep all of this liquidity. Let's see if this goes back up to Bob. So, Ninja, is this what you were waiting for? Damn. Okay. Taking all of this out now. Let's see what happens here. A normal IPO like this would open 10% of your so traders, they'll open up 30%. Ew, good rejection off of there. See if it keeps rejecting. See if we get a solid rejection bob to bob again. Again, just took out that buy side liquidity. What's up, Tyler? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. You should go long. Found a second wave of volume that comes in as London is closing. Bob to Bob. Bob to Bob. Absolute BS. That is what that is. Seriously. Sitting and waiting, waiting and sitting. Wait for the A+ setup. Sorry, this is just me reminding myself to wait for the A+ setup. London gave me so many opportunities this morning. Shoot. Oh well. Deal structures that Elon cannot be removed here no matter how much. Will be a cash machine for a while. Tell me, you say wait for the retest. 10:26. It's nearly on the half hour, Ninja. Let's see what we get. Sorry. Got very, very deep in thought there for a second. Sorry, ignore me. Well, I guess can't ignore me if I wasn't saying anything. Anyways, point is, I believe there's a few important earnings coming up in the next few weeks. Ooh, in the next few weeks. Do you think this is a lot of people trying to get in or out of positions before all these news and thing happen? Or do you think this is more to do with, how do I put this? The chaos that's going on in the world right now. How's gold looking? Is gold like skyrocketing right now? Who's trading gold? It's been such an upside down day. I just put my hoodie on backwards. Ninja, that's a great way to have popcorn, just by the way. Hoodie on backwards, use the hood. Just shove snacks and things in there. That's the way to do it. 100%. Have popcorn there, just sit there. It's like a built-in bowl. Amazing. Amazing. That's all I can say. It's good for gold. No, 100%. That's why I'm asking how gold looks. Here on my previous market. What's up, user? How you doing? What news? Have to be specific. I'm trading gold just for the long term. Next, I'm still trying to learn it. I do know that gold is just the, what's it called? It's the fear asset. So when there's fear going on in the world, gold goes up because gold is stable. Unlike me. Okay. 10:29. We're nearly there, Ninja. See how it reacts here. Spacing. No, I'm not losing my things. Give me a second. Be right back. BRB. Okay. That's great. And more buys. And so on oil on coming right casino right now. Okay. Today gold is down, but I've been going up. Also found out when I've been super interested in the memory. I've been seeing some interesting. Well, cool. Is this it? Oh my gosh, this might be it. No! Okay, I can't say that was it yet because it didn't close as a fair value gap. That doesn't count. That was me trying to rush into something. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Okay, cool. It's okay. It's gonna have to want to take out that wickless as well. Okay. I didn't miss it. I thought I missed that for a second. I was like, you must be kidding me. Finally a potential A+ setup. And I thought I missed it. We're okay. So what's happening now? Ready? Saltwater, where you at, by the way? You're using FIP. I use a GAN box. Company X. Price of the previous day close. For news, I use the website calendar Forex Factory. Yeah, Forex Factory is a good one. It's the one I use as well. Okay, bob to bob. Let's see how it goes. Still at this liquidity. Let's see what we get. Wait. Be patient. Don't rush into something. Okay, wait for this one as well. Don't rush into it. Ugh. Don't like where that entry is. Damn it. Oh, so what are you in India? Oh, cool. Okay. What's a GAN box? It's much of a muchness to a fib, to be fair. Not much of a difference. I have to go to work. Trades go well today. Aw, cheers, Tyler. Enjoy. What are you doing today? I'll swing trading a lot. I do long-term investing. I only do trend-based. Ooh, interesting, saltwater. Okay, no, so I don't do investing. For me, investing is scary. I actually do scalping, believe it or not. I'm just very, very, very fussy with my trades nowadays. So short story long, hope you're ready. Short story long, basically, this is my first ever funded account. Was super excited. I passed it in March, and March was when a lot of the drama in the world started happening. And I was $20 away from blowing this funded account. So I have been going one trade at a time. Literally one step at a time. Trying to pick up the pieces of this funded account. I don't know how I haven't blown it, but yes, it's essentially from me being extra flipping fussy with the trades I take. It does mean that progress is agonizingly slow. Like, bang my head against a wall slow. But it's been working, and I've been getting my confidence up by paper trading in between, and obviously backtesting. But yeah, it shook my confidence quite a bit. March did a number on me. And yeah, here we are. So if the range is too big, I can't take it yet because I have rules that I'm sticking to, which is only when it's back up to 49 will I take trades with $100 risk again, and when it's back up to 50, I'll take my usual $200 risk trades. Woola, what's up? Hey, Ninja, whoop whoop! No trading. Prop firm. Oh, 100 points. I mean, 100 points is a banger. What the heck, man? Okay, here we go. Gotta wait for the A plus. 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 Why? I must say the Bob to Bob trades today are banger. Seriously. Banger. Oh well. No, nice market for $58 from me. Oh my gosh, Ninja, that's not okay. Just remember you're on a world record run right now. You can bring this account back, you get a star on that football in America. Yeah! Oh, you struggle. I'm gonna hands off for the rest today. Good idea, Ninja. If you can. Can you lock yourself out? I don't know if you can lock yourself. Please don't hit your head against the wall unless you're into boxing. Did anyone enter stock symbol DSY with me earlier? If you're so fussy with your trades, doesn't that mean you almost never take a trade? Yep, basically. Buyers are still safe. You say safe, I say eh. You see something? E? Scary. Okay. Saltwater, what was the question? I did say I'm on a funded, so I'm using prop rooms. I am funded with top one. Thanks, Solly. You got my back. I love it. Might lock myself up, but have the discipline to chill till tomorrow. Ninja, look at you go, bud. Checking to see who's alive. What's up, Hammer? Stop. Hammer time. Ayo, 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 ayo. What is scalping? Oh, I guess it's basically day trading. Those quick in and out scalps. Like it's a quickie. I apologize for saying that. I apologize for saying that. Anyways, moving on. Thanks. It was possible. Also try. Oh, saltwater. It's such a nice way to save on capital. Save on capital is great. I don't know if you are restricted though, where you are. You're just gonna have to see if you are restricted. Unfortunately, like in South Africa, we can't use Lucid, for example, because SA is restricted on the ban list or whatever you want to call it. They just don't like us. It's a bit mean. You got a lot of videos, I just realized. Were you trading before you started posting them? Do I have a lot of videos? Not really. I mean, all of them are... That's a scary bark, bud. Do I need to come and see what's happening? No, we're good. 25 seconds to a couple minutes. Hammer, why? What happened? Wait, you can help it. Also, I have a full-time job in trading. I don't know anything, so long way to go. See, so what? To be fair, a lot of people have said that investing is actually the better way to go. I do actually want to get into investing. Don't get me wrong. It's just, I feel like that's a whole other kettle of fish. Oh, okay. No, it's fine. It's my neighbor. SA is always on the naughty list. I know. I don't know what we did, Hammer, but yeah. Sorry, Hammer, I thought you were saying that you were bad, like maybe you took a trade during New York, which you know you're not allowed to. I say like I'm a mom. Anyways. This is very much disappointing me right now. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. I wonder if that was just the push for today and now I missed it, and it is what it is. How big was this push? Oh, okay, a very respectable 481 points. That's not bad. Very similar to Asia and London today. It's definitely respecting that point. No! Where are you going, Hammer? Wait, aren't you coming down here? Which one? Where? Which one, user? I don't see it here. There's one there. Nothing really here. Which time frame? Hello, Hanson. Oh damn, okay, so salt water, how it works is basically you pay for the eval and you pay, I'm using examples, these are not the exact amounts or anything, I'm just doing a for example. So let's say you pay $50, right, for a 50k eval account. You can lose up to $2,000. You don't lose anything. You lose nothing. You've just paid for that. Like I said, you don't lose any of that. You do have to, however, make up $3,000. Once you've made up those $3,000, then you are on a funded where you have to make another $3,000. Okay, again, depending on the prop firm, and then you can start getting payouts. Depending on the prop firm, you can get daily payouts or weekly or whatever package you choose. You know, there's different packages, and you obviously also just have to double check the rules because they do have rules. At the end of the day, a prop firm is still a business, right? And they have their rules. You play by their rules, you save your capital and you save your money, you make money. It's a win-win. Maybe you won't make as much as you would have with your own, but you also won't lose as much as you would have with your own. So yeah. Well, then, so almost never train your library. Investing is easier than trading. You just buy and hold them. I was driving down the 16th of flying back when I feel like it. Okay. You have set up for NQE so you can buy shares. I even hold on very long. What's up, Arco? What's up? To be fair, I've been going very slowly being the keyword, back up into profit. I just get my salary for my work and put it into shares, no analysis. Oh, okay. A lot less stress than me trying to day trade here. I think investing is the less stressful way to do things. Nah, not worth it. Arco, is it an edge problem? No. So it's not actually an edge problem. So believe it or not, if I actually just took trades more boldly. Sorry, just having a look here. No? Oh. I thought you were done trading. Very good trade though, Bob. Sorry, that was Bob's trade. I've just been very conservative with my trades. On the paper, where I've been trading more normally, I'm up 1,666 dollars, but I know that's paper, so it makes absolutely zero difference. Hope you mean, but I still know. Damn, Hammer, look at you go. That's awesome. Very long right now, visiting. That's not bad, soul water. Okay. Still watching. Okay, still not there. You say you're taking less trades in funded and in live you are paper. Yeah. Well, Arco, I'm still taking funded trades. Like this morning, I actually took. Well, I took 3 funded trades. The 2 that tagged me in, unfortunately, were break-even trades, and the other one didn't tag me in. On the paper trade, I took quite a few trades. It does make a difference. It's good for psychology and confidence. True, Ninja. True, true. Like I said, on the paper, I took this awesome setup, which I did like, but again, it was more than I was willing to risk for where I am in the drawdown. I hope that kind of makes sense. Go back down. Let's see if we get another opportunity. How's the time looking? No. Do you have access to the stock market in South Africa, or is it different? What do you mean by that? I want to be tagged in as a millionaire, but I'm stuck in break even. Yeah. Story of my life. Okay. Let's see this. Like this, for example. Decent. Oh, there was something. Okay. Debbie, I don't know if Debbie's still here. I see I just got an email from Traderify saying that there was account disruptions today. Cheers, Hammer. Drive safe. If you're looking for a little short, then there you have it. So that would have been a nice one. Let's see. Come on. I think it's going to give me one more opportunity. Well, do you think it's going to give me an opportunity at this point? Starting to think potentially not, but let's see. I can buy shares or trade shares now. Oh, can you buy shares or trade? I think so, depending. I know Bob took a short OTT. Awesome. I just wanted to check something. Done. I was about to ask why I didn't take the short, then I realized I missed it as well. Before I go. Manage to get points in the short. Market maker so you can. Thanks, Daniel, please. Please, if you wouldn't mind, would appreciate that very much. Perry is crunching his food over there. Spaghetti minus.com. What did it say though? I wonder. So it didn't exactly say where or when the disruptions. It apologized about the disruptions. That's kind of what I saw. Did you get an email from them? Maybe they're aware of the issue, but they haven't sorted it out yet. I don't know. I don't know. That's very weird though. Sorry, Deb. That's very frustrating. When he's learning how to... Bob, who are you talking about? You're trying to keep the goat down. Not gonna lie, it's my favorite sentence. And rated. I know there's a few people like that out there, but still. Okay, let's see what 11 brings. What about that one? I wonder. Let me double check something. Curiosity is getting the best of me. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this to myself, but curiosity. Let's see. Nope. Would have worked out nicely. Pity. Oh well. I'd logged on my phone. Now I'll try desktop again. Weird. Sorry about that, Deb. I don't know why I'm saying sorry, but it still sucks. Still sucks. Did Jay actually want to take a trade today? 10:55. Oh yeah. Don't worry, Bob. I was very much ignoring. I felt a little bit bad because I was very mean to him instantly when he arrived. I'm not normally like that, but oh, okay, it's fine. Clearly I got a vibe. You guys know that I'm not normally mean to people, but instantly I was like, oh no. Okay. Now you tell me about I'm on my phone now to see how desktop goes. I do like that. That time is the most valuable commodity. I do like that. Okay. Still going. We're just gonna go back into the first presented. Loki looks like it. Don't do dumb stuff. Don't do dumb stuff. Don't do dumb stuff. I know you want to do dumb stuff, but don't do dumb stuff. How dumb would this dumb stuff be? This might be dumb stuff. Yeah, range is too big. A lot of you just went in, remember how I was saying. Yeah, someone just tweeted about I ran about 3 hours ago and didn't move a single tick. for that short today. That's because you can't place a value on something that doesn't exist. Ah, there we go. Then that's fine. Yeah, it's still just running away without a care in the world. Oh, okay, okay. The want to just mark it in, I need to sit on my hands. This is very nice, you know, on ES. Oh, the ring is huge! Damn, that should look code to launch the trading contest video in your chat numbers for the sign capital will be the same. We fixed the max between a bit forward. Okay, it's back in action now. Can log into everything again. Aw, cheers, young Ferb. Enjoy. Again, watch for the reversal and neutron forming at 10:30, guys. Please practice for yourself. Yeah, that was a solid. Also, I literally took out that liquidity. What time frame is this on? The 1 hour. But now, was it just a liquidity sweep and now we're dropping back down, in which case we might be headed back down to London lows? Ooh, potential. Okay. Potentially that's where we're headed. Okay, that was the first presented, literally tapped into there. Say my frustrations are high is a little bit of an understatement, but that's okay. Want it backward and QW back in and she don't take prisoners. London, then Asia lows. Sitting, waiting, watching. Just quickly popping over because I have proper FOMO, so when I got that, I do that. Oh my gosh. Except now just rejected off of the new weekly open. Let's see what we then get here. It's gonna go all the way back up again. Because I can now. This is on paper, so meh. Totally took that out. That did not come back up high. Curious about this. Sorry, this is what happens when I get a little bit of FOMO. Then I just come, paper trade this. Feel a tad bit better about things. Me and Maya could have been on AOF right now if we took that. Okay. Board stocks and all. Gun opening. What's wrong with Solly's neighbor? Oh my gosh. This could be a little bit of a mistake. Let's see if it even comes back into that. Didn't quite tap back into there. Sorry, I just gotta do this to get the frustrations out sometimes. I have questions, but I don't know if I want the answers. Oh, right. I forgot about that. Nope. I forgot about that. You did mention it yesterday. My bad. Heisenberg, this is now paper trade, yeah. I popped onto paper because I was getting frustrated and I was going to do dumb things on my funded, so. Popped over to paper just to take some... get some frustrations out. Do some YOLO dumb stuff. Do a little bit of revenge trading. Sometimes it's good. Get it out on paper. Before you do dumb things on your funded. Life hacks. This is right. See a little bit of a rejection off of there. Come on. Need that to drop below. Ooh, very good rejection off of VWAP on ES. However, it did just tap into that fair value gap. The bullish fair value gap on the 1 minute on ES and NQ. So let's see if it rejects it or if it's gonna go down. Look at that. Wait, let's not speak too soon. There's the midpoint around there. Cool. The paper ones have been working out well. Obviously not when I just FOMO in, like, yeah, I just clicked market in. This was actually a plan. It's good to go DJ mode every now and then on paper though, exactly. So I imagine buying a home. Wait. Don't rush it, don't rush it, don't rush it. Man, that is more than I'm willing to risk right now. Sugar honey iced tea. This is a stereotype. Hit like rough. Dagnabbit. Okay, back to paper. Looked like a potential A+ setup. Potential little bit of retracement over here. Hasn't quite taken out those shots. On the paper. Thanks, Ninja. Sorry, can you see I'm all the frustrations today? Damn, New York has been doing me dirty recently, but it's fine. It's fine. It's a good rejection off that bob level. Which means it could potentially go back bob to bob. But let's see, I'm still gonna stay hands off for now. Let's check this out. It's been doing this quite nicely now. Ooh, I'm on that level. Promise these big days look like so much fun to trade. And I can't even flipping take them yet. Let's put it on 100. Supposed to take the short from there. It's amazing. See a bit of a rejection off of the 50% of the bob level. Okay, took out the low both sides. Okay, it's not really an SMT that was formed there. Wait, if it's coming up, it's gonna come up properly once it goes past there, so might as well just follow it down to there. So my FOMO is quenched through your paper trade. You're welcome. Going after that London low. Where is the London low? Oh my gosh. Let's see, maybe if it calms down a little bit now, might get an opportunity. Might being the key word here. Still respecting the 50% there. Still waiting for it. Cool. Gosh darn, maybe I do just have to be bolder like I am on the paper. I was down 900 and something dollars on paper, now I'm up 1,796. So I'm really not talking a lot. I'm really locked in. Sorry guys. Sorry about that. It's paper, right? Break even, hit and TP at London, then close up for the day. Ah. Shave your head and start full porting. I'm putting it out there. I would look so bad bald. Not even afraid to deny that one. I would look disgustingly terrible bald. Guaranteed. This is another bob to bob, you're right. All you need is a boxing pad next to your computer. I low-key love that idea, Samuel, with the boxing bag. I low-key love that. Just get some frustrations out, just sit there going, yeah, hitting the boxing bag. There's an idea. And this is too large again. Yep. Damn, this thing is just going. Get in and get out fast. Samuel, I know what's gonna happen. The second I mark it in on a cell, it's going to do a retracement way too high up. I'm gonna be in the red. Just don't use me as a punching bag. Aww. Well, that's just not very nice, is it? Rude. Should I take this one also? Might as well, I guess. Why not? Okay. Did just take out all of this. If I could just take all these ranges today, I would have been a very happy chappy. Maybe I should have just said, ah, screw it, and see what happens. When I was blowing e-balls, I had the bag set up, and now because we're favorite skin, I'll be swinging knuckles in frustration. That is amazing. Are we saying screw it? Are we moving this to London low? Yeah, let's move it to London low. Why not? Why not? I'll just follow this down. London low is the point of interest. There would have been another TP. Brother Bear, I low-key need you to calm down. This is insane. I'm saying Brother Bear very specifically. Get it? Bearish. Bearish. No? Yep. Okay. Let's see where this is going. Where it could be going. Oh, it might want to retrace a little bit further down. Or not. How are we doing sad music stuff? Just gonna put it there. If it takes me out, nothing gained, nothing lost, so it's fine. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I just left it where it was, but testing this. See if we go back up. Okay, still going. Had the trend. Oh, Samo, you're saying with this right now? I feel like it's a little late, but it is what it is. See this bob to bob trade. Like I said, trying this out. Let's see what we get. On vacation, have tickets. Cheers, Stu. Enjoy. What a weird thing to read. That hard, no. I was already pushing for 50 points on Friday and yesterday night. Start cooking them bobs. I'm trying to figure out the bob to bob. I'm not gonna lie. I am. I did like the look of it, but maybe not. Maybe just too much sell side liquidity has been taken. Ooh. Potentially. Okay, so took that out. Let's see, there's one, whatchamacallit, I keep forgetting the name of it. Wickless. I call it the Wickless. It does actually have a name. Oh, it shows you exactly where you're taking out. That's cool. I didn't know it did that. What? Okay. Sorry, that was a random little find that I didn't know it did. 120. Revenge trade would say take a buy here, back up. Maybe not. I'm trying to decide. I might be a long bob's bob. Okay. Giving it a go, Solly. Let's see. Like I said, the one thing I really need to try and figure out with the bob to bob is where to place the stop losses. Okay. Uh-oh. Like there I missed with the stop loss. Maybe mustn't do that. Break even? That feels like break even. Uh-oh. Or not. I think it's dealer's choice. I'll have to actually confirm. He does have an idea, but sometimes... Yeah. Not sure user set value, say 50 points with one contract, you know it's $50. Maybe Ninja, maybe that's not a bad idea. Look into doing that, and then the question is, do you even bother moving break even or not? Potentially not. There we go, there was a nice bubs bub. Sorry, hiccups now. Potential rejection off of here. It's gonna retest higher. Slots as an edge, but only after a large sample size. True, Ninja, true. Let's see, retrace the 50% of this. So I'm here like overtime today. I'm very fixated on all of this stuff today. Sorry. I'm also very well aware that I'm being very quiet. And maybe I'm very locked in. I don't know why. I know that's kind of weird for me. It's giving me lots of movement for once. Once it passed back through 50% above level, you could have bought a stop loss at the... You confused me a little bit with that one, Solly. Likely to turn here. Might go back to the shorts or continuation. I was thinking potentially. Oh no! Check out that rejection off of that bob level there. Potentially another bob's bob here. Let's see though. We'd have to wait for some more confirmation. Well, I mean, they're fighting. Would have potentially had an entry here for a bob's bob. Let's see if it would have worked. What's up, Gaming Junkie? How you doing? Solly, you're saying bye? Ah, but see, mine is saying theoretically. So. But might want to retrace higher. Now that it's dropped and overextended so much. Trend is friend until it's not, right? Still rejecting off of there. Stop at lower bob. So you say the stop would be here. And the buy would be there, right? So that would have been stop loss, right? that what you're saying, Sully? Here we go. Question mark? No, maybe not. Doing ones for me entering too early. Ooh, interesting, Ninja. Okay. Entering where you would put your stop. I've heard that's very much a thing, which is wild. Because for me, not always, definitely not always, but a lot of the times if my stop gets hit, it continues in that direction. Again, definitely not always. Oh my gosh, David, did you even sleep? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna call it there before I get frustrated. I'm gonna leave this up. Let's see what this looks like then tomorrow. It's only Wednesday. We have 2 more days to go. Technically, I'm in the green today. Technically, I'm up $2. Don't mean to brag or anything. Okay, let me call it there because I can feel the frustrations all the way at the tippy top. Let me go. Understand so you couldn't ship based on the point to make it profitable. The legend. Okay. Anyways, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. I know I was very quiet today. I was locked in. I know that's low-key weird for me. We'll come back and do it all again tomorrow. Maybe I should just stop being more bold. No, you know, I know what I need to do. I know what I need to do. Okay. I love you guys madly. Thank you for always being just amazing. Don't forget to press the like button. Yeah, you guys know the rest. I love you guys. See you then tomorrow. London and New York. Okay. Cheers, guys. Have an amazing day, evening, night, wherever you're at. Bye.